The underwater environment is full of inspiration for aquariums. It's also just cool to be immersed in nature with a different perspective. We're going to check out some native vegetation and fish in an Ontario lake. Here's a plant called pipewort that has formed a dense carpet. Pipewort is a plant species often used in aquascapes. There are a number of native pondweeds or Potamogeton species in Ontario lakes. Near this one you can see a large crayfish that didn't make it. Here's another Potamogeton species with narrower leaves. It's cool to see the vegetation around underwater structures such as logs and rocks. Here's some common waterweed or Elodea. This was scattered throughout the area. There are also some juvenile smallmouth bass. There's one spot along the shoreline that I really loved. This was in a small inlet and had some overhanging vegetation called sweetgale and some wood that likely fell in from the shore. You can see the larger rocks close to shore as well. I just think it looks like a great natural aquascape. This little bay had some yellow pond lilies and white water lilies, but I didn't get any footage of them. There were quite a few fish hanging around though. In the distance, we can see some smallmouth bass. They were in a good sized shoal here, kind of swimming all together, and they weren't too scared of me, but they kept their distance. You can also see a little bit more woody debris and leaf litter in this area. This would form the base of this food chain. Here are a few pumpkin seeds that were very curious. They're really attractive fish underwater. I hope you've enjoyed this little underwater tour. Thanks for watching.